Here we are going to see the program of try block and catch block of exception handling in Java. So you can see here that we have created a class A, and inside class A we have created our main method. Inside main method we have declared three variables A, B and C, and we have initialized value 10 to variable A and 5 to variable B. Now we have printed a statement exception handling basics. Now inside the try block we have written the code of division. Try block in Java is used to monitor the statements which have the probability of throwing the runtime exception. Means, as a developer, if you feel that some code is having the probability to throw an runtime error, so you have to put those statements in try block. So we have created try block and written the code of division over here, because while dividing some numbers to get a result, we can lead to division by zero error. So which is happening exactly over here. So inside try block we have written this statement, then we have printed the value of C, and then a correct statement. This is try block is also written over here. A try block is always preceded by a catch block. If the try block statements creates runtime error and throws an exception object from here, then the catch block is responsible to handle that object. A catch block has an argument, and here we have taken argument as arithmetic exception, because here I know that if division by zero error occurs, so my Java runtime environment is going to create the object of arithmetic exception class, and it is handled by this catch block. So the catch block is simply handling the exception if it arises inside the try block, and it is printing division by zero error. After catch block, this statement is written, that is the last statement of my program. Over here I have closed the main method and I have closed the class, final class A over here. So in the first run I am going to write this code. That means what I have done is I have not created a situation of runtime error. C is equals to 10 divided by 10 minus 5, that is 10 divided by 5, that is 2. So value of C will be printed 2. So you can see the flow of the program would be exception handling basics, then this is going to be calculated, output would be value of C, that is 2, then this is a try block will be printed, and catch block is not going to run because no exception was created inside my try block. Let's quickly see the output here. You can see here when I am going to compile this program, there is one error, that is terminator missing error. So I am again recompiling this program and it is compiled, class file is created. Now I am quickly running this program. You can see exception handling basics 2. This is try block and last statement of the program. You can clearly see here that the catch block has not executed. This is because try block has not created any runtime error. But if I modify this code like A is equals to A divided by A minus 2 into B. So what is going to happen is that first this statement is going to be print. Inside the try block, this statement is having runtime error. Exception object will be created and it will be thrown to the catch block. Neither this statement is going to execute nor this statement. This statement is the correct statement. This is a try block. It has no error inside it. But you can see the logic is that inside the try block, whenever a wrong statement, an exception statement is there, an object is created and it is directly thrown to the catch block. Now this object is handled by this catch block, and the catch block body will execute, which will show us the output division by 0 error. And once my exception object is handled in the catch block, my rest of the program resumes. So let's quickly save this program and execute it. I'm recompiling this program and executing. So you can see here that try block statements are not printed. First, exception handling basics, then try block exception object is created over here and it is thrown to this catch block, and the catch block statement division by 0 error is printed, and last statement of the program is also printed here. So this program lets you know the working of try and catch block in Java.